Open After Effects and create new composition. Set composition to match YouTube video ratio and frame rate to match your walk cycle sequence. Set estimated duration, you can always change it later. Import walk cycle sequence and background images. Next, assemble your artwork in proper order. Click arrow next to source image that you want to animate to open pull-down menu. Open transformation menu. Make sure you are on the first frame of your animation and click clock icon next to the position to set key. Next, move to the last frame of your animation and change animation length as needed. After that, set second key by moving image to opposite side on your stage. Repeat process to animate other layers. Please take under consideration that objects farther away in your background composition should move slower when you animate your scene. After you complete your animation process, export and render your walk cycle to video format. Thank you.